Let's make a creepy stitched up pumpkin for Halloween. I am Katie, the Crafty Blogstalker, and I would love if you would subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my craft tutorials, make sure to ring that bell. I've got all the supplies that we're going to use today laid out, and of course I will have links to everything either in the description of this video or in the blog post, so check those out. We've got our giant plastic pumpkin, a drill, angle grinder, some twine, some craft needles, and then some paints. The first thing we're going to do with our pumpkin is go to the back and take out this light. We're still going to use it, but we don't want it in there while we're stitching on it. We want to cut out some of the bottom of our plastic pumpkin here. So I'm going to be doing that with my Works angle grinder. And of course I've got my glasses so that I can keep my eyes nice and safe. I'm going to turn this on. Hit the power button. I'm going to try and do this so you can see it. So there is the hole in our pumpkin. Now I'm going to take my drill, and it's got a 5 64 drill bit in it, and I'm going to drill my holes around the openings so that then I can stitch them. So I just changed to a 3 32 just because this hole was looking a little too small and I don't want to make it too difficult on myself. So I'm going to use just a little bit bigger hole. The twine that I am using, it doesn't say anywhere on the package its thickness. So just make sure that you drill holes that are big enough for your twine. I've got my twine on my needle and then a knot at the end of my twine, and we are just going to start stitching. Now I am not going to go in any specific like crisscross pattern or anything like that. I am just going to go wherever I want to kind of create that weird, creepy pattern. And I could have made my holes just a little bit bigger so I wouldn't have to use the needle nose pliers, but it's all good. We'll make it work. My first length of twine is used, so now I'm going to turn it over and try my best to tie a knot there in the end. The stitches are done on our pumpkin and he is already looking pretty spooky, but I want to make him even more spooky. So I am going to add some paint. I've got a little paper plate here I'm going to use as my palette, and I'm going to squirt on some gray paint, and then I'm just going to kind of paint it on. Okay. There you can see my strokes throughout. Nothing clean, nice and messy. Okay, now we're going to take the black and we're going to do the same thing. Ooh, he's already looking spooky. Now he needs some brown, and I'm not washing my brush in between. I'm using the same brush. I want that brown to be a little bit darker. And now we're just gonna try and like fill in those orange spots. If a little bit of orange pokes through, that's okay. We're just trying to make our pumpkin look spooky. Now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna wipe off some of that paint. Just with a dry rag. And there is our spooky pumpkin. Let's put his light in him. Ooh, he looks so spooky. Isn't that so fun? I loved how our creepy stitched pumpkin turned out. If you want more tutorials, you can visit my home base, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.